Liam, kain. Ang lambot.
Where's my fly? Where's the fly?
You pass her to him. Talong, sibuyas.
Talong or mango?
What's that?
Mango.
Hindi. Let's do a video.
Let's make a video
So
together.
that they like the video.
Subscribe.
Dali. Sabihin mo dali, anong ulam ni Liam? Dali, show mo sa video, anong ulam ni Liam? Anong ulam ni Liam?
Mango and fish.
Pakita mo. Kain daw, kain. Ano ba yan? Wala, nagbibideo lang. Very good. Yummy? Yummy? Hindi nasagot. Talong. Sinundo ka ng tatay? Dali nagbe-video ang mami. Sipa doon ang susunod. Dali. Dali ayaw agad dali subo na. Dali, show your food. Ayun, nakikita ka sa video.
Hindi tatay.
Nakikita ka sa video. Dali, show your food na. Dali, kanin. Look, Liam, kanin ng mami. Hindi naman pinagdagan. Wala pa kayo. Kahit alam mo namang pauwi na rin. Ako'y gutom na. Dali Subo na. Subo na. Pakita mo yung food mo. Hindi, galing yung food pa. Hindi yun. Kaya na.
Hey, wait, look closely. What's lying on the road? This looks like something unusual. Let's clean it up and see what it really is.
Meron pa, wala bang kamatis?
Music box.
Dana, have you gone crazy? Where did you pick up this dirty junk-like thing from?
Brother, this isn't junk. I put in a little effort
Dalawa
into
naman
shining
yan.
in. I'm thinking of cleaning it
Tatlo
properly
ba?
and gifting it to my little brother Aram on his birthday. I couldn't give him anything last time. This time, I won't go empty-handed.
Are you really crazy?
Sarap
You gonna give this junk to your little brother?
Look how hard I'm working to wash it, but some people don't even like and subscribe to the video.
Don't worry, everyone watching this video today will definitely like and subscribe to your channel.
Tingin, Liam, nakain ka na.
Really clean.
You show your
Look
food.
closely. What's lying on the road?
Anong ulam ni Liam? Dali, pakita mo yung ulam mo. Ayun lang kanin. Wow. Ito kayo nagkagarni. Subo na. Gutom na eh.
Just like that, X7 Rainbow.
No sponge, Dad.
What? Okay, then what?
Just use all of the extra water.
Okay. So much easier then. I'll take it.
Ay!